everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a stay on Airbnb step by step. First, open the Airbnb app and log into your account. On home, go ahead and enter your destination, travel dates, and number of guests on the search, and then tap search. Next, browse to the available insights and select a place that fits your needs and budget. And then check the details carefully into including the price, location, amenities, house rules, and reviews from other guests. Once you find the right place, click reserve or book. Then enter your payment details and confirm your booking. Some insights listings may require host approvals while others are instant bookings. After confirmation, you'll receive booking details and can contact hosts if needed. That's how you book a stay in at Airbnb. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.